Welcome to another edition of Fit for Design, the course that helps you to stop guessing and start knowing if the creative life is truly for you. Today, we are unlocking one of the most confusing terms for new creatives, which is resources. What exactly are resources, and why does knowing resources separate pros from the struggling amateurs or beginners? I don't know, anyone you like to call it. If you've ever felt stuck trying to make a design, or as the core of this free course, you are wondering if you are truly fit for design, don't worry, this video is your blueprint. What are resources? So when we talk about resources in graphic design, what are we talking about? Think of it this way. If a chef wants to make a great meal, they don't just need their talents or their skills alone. They need the kitchen, the ingredients, and the recipe book. In which, in the case of a graphic designer, the kitchen could be seen as the software a designer makes use of to create a certain design, and the ingredients are the assets, the elements a graphic design make use of in the process of designing, while the recipe book will be seen as the knowledge the designer has acquired over time to create such a design. So what is resources? Resources are everything a designer needs to run their creative kitchen efficiently. They are anything that supports your creative process, helps you to design better, and gets you to the finish line much faster. In this video, I've broken down everything you need to know about resources meaning in graphic design into 5 simple categories. Get ready to take notes by now. Well, you can hit the save button for you to watch later, and let's dive into the core components of every successful design project. Once again, what is a resource? A resource is anything that supports your creative process. Here are the 5 categories of resources you must know for you to have fast and effective outcome. At number 1, we have design assets, which I would like to call the ingredients. These are your ready to use ingredients. They are pre-made downloadable elements that save you time from drawing or shooting everything yourself. What did I mean by pre-made? These are assets that are already made for you to just download and make use of it in your design. In this category, we have the likes of fonts and typefaces. These are like the clothes your words wear. They set the tone of your message. We have icons and illustration. These are ready-made symbols or drawings you just download and drop into your work. We have stock photos and videos. These are high quality professional images and clips that you can legally use. We have texture, patterns, and backgrounds. These underlining details that add depth, like a concrete texture or a subtle repeating pattern. This helps gives your design a more realistic outlook. We have mockups and templates. These are pre-built frames like a phone screen or a business card or a billboard or a banner or book cover design, where you can display your design to give it a lifelike example and not just flat design. At category 2, we have software tools, which I would like to call the kitchen of a designer. These are your primary workspace. They are programs that make design possible. They allow you to manipulate, combine, and arrange your text, images, and colors. In these categories, we have the likes of Canva, Pixel, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Figma, Illustrator, and so on. At category 3, we have learning resources, which I would like to call the recipe book of a designer. This is where you upgrade your brain. These are the platforms and materials that help you to improve your technical skill, unlock your creativity, and most importantly, for you to understand the why behind every beautiful design decisions. So what are these learning resources? These resources are tutorials, ebooks, or color theory, guides on brand and structure courses that teach a professional workflow. For example, My own book, it's not just for design, falls squarely into these categories because it focuses on the mindset and the strategy that separates professionals from beginners. Where can you find these learning resources? You are on one right now, YouTube. Also look at Coursera, Skillshare, and professional design blogs, so like that. Category 4, we have inspiration and idea resources. The chef experience, that is a designer's experience. The fact is, your creative well can run dry. This inspiration and idea sources helps you refill it. There are places or materials you look at to spark a new idea, not to copy. Well, you can actually steal. Borrow. You can steal. You can borrow. In this category, we have the examples of visual libraries such as Pinterest board, Behance, Dribble, or even just old magazines or nature around you. And we have professional work. We have reviewing client briefs and industry reports to understand current trends. At 5, we have practical business resources, the business plan of a designer. If you want to make money from design, these are non-negotiable. They are the documents that protect you and help you get paid. In this category, we have legal and financial. This is client contracts, pricing guides, and invoice templates. We have workflow, brand kits, templates, and project management checklist. Other views. What is really a learning without us considering what other professionals has to say about the particular topic we are discussing right now, which is resources. A quick point on that aspect of professional views. Some professionals consider the tools or hardware you use to be a resource, and they are right. A fast computer or a new phone such as iPhone 17 versus iPhone 7, as I like to compare, doesn't make you a better designer, but it makes you a faster, more effective one. If your device constantly lags, you are going to waste time. So what's the takeaway? Don't let your current device stop you, but know that investing in faster hardware is investing in your productivity. Why spending time breaking down these resources term of a thing? Knowing the meaning of resources is important because it helps you to understand what powers your creativity and productivity. Whether you are a beginner or a future professional, here are the reasons why this knowledge is your competitive edge. Understanding resources help you to work smarter, not harder. When you know about assets like templates and mockups, you stop spending hours creating everything from a blank screen. You save time and focuses on strategic parts of design. This helps you unlock creativity. Exactly. Knowing what resources exist gives you options. You realize you can completely transform a design just by changing the font, which is a resource, or adding a subtle texture, another resource. More knowledge equals more creative power, and it helps you grow professionally. Every top designer knows where to find the best free and premium resources. This knowledge shows you can manage your workflow efficiently and separate yourself from a beginner. At the fourth importance, it helps you manage cost. This is a strategic investment. Some resources are totally free and some require an investment. Knowing the difference helps you budget smartly. You don't need to spend thousands on dozens of individual courses. You can be strategic. For example, instead of buying a separate ebook plus a software course plus a business guide, you can get my foundational "It's Not Just for Design" ebook plus a bonus of 1000 plus courses resources votes bundled together for a fraction of the cost. That is literally maximizing your budget. It's about knowing where to put your money to get the absolute highest value. If you want to grab the entire package and instantly grab your resources library, the link is waiting for you right now in the description below. In short, knowing what resources is helps you understand what supports your creativity, how to use the tools efficiently, and how to become a more skilled professional and productive designer. Does this video add to your knowledge of knowing if you are truly fit for design? Join me in the next video where we will go even deeper. I will be sharing the best on where to get the free design resources and pro websites you should bookmark right now. Do well to like this video if you gain value, and of course hit the subscribe button and the bell icons so you get notified for more creative updates. I want to join my design community or get your hands on my It's Not Just Design and its massive packages. The links are available in the description. Let's meet and create something amazing together. See you in the next video. Goodbye.